In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now, here's the key thing to know right away. QuickBooks Online doesn't actually let you delete accounts from your chart of accounts. Instead, the proper way to clean things up is to make an account inactive. This achieves the same result for everyday use. It hides the account from your lists and prevents it from being used in new transactions, while keeping your historical data intact for accurate reporting. Let's walk through it together. Start in QuickBooks Online and look to the top right of your screen for the gear icon. This is your settings hub. Click the gear icon, and from the menu that opens, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is your master list of all the accounts your business uses, such as income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's the backbone of your bookkeeping, so it's worth taking a moment to be sure you're working with the right account. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, locate the account you want to remove from active use. Before you proceed, double-check the name and the detail type so you're confident it's the correct one. When you're ready, look to the right side of that account's row for a small caret icon, usually a little downward arrow. Click that caret to open the options menu for that account. From the menu, select Make Inactive. That's it. QuickBooks will mark the account as inactive, and it will no longer appear in your active account lists or be available for new transactions. A few clarifications will help you feel confident about this change. Making an account inactive does not delete past transactions or break your reports. Your historical data remains in place, so your financial statements still tie out. The account is simply hidden from day-to-day selection, so your lists stay tidy and focused. This is especially helpful if you've reorganized your categories over time and want to prevent accidental use of old accounts. If you try to make an account inactive and it doesn't allow you to proceed, it may be a special system account or one that's required for certain features. In those cases, consider whether the account still serves a purpose or review your setup to ensure nothing essential depends on it. And if you ever change your mind, don't worry. You can bring an account back into use later, so your workflow remains flexible. That's the process. Use Make Inactive to keep your chart of accounts clean while preserving the integrity of your books.